Lobby group Afriforum says it's confident that the Equality Court will rule in its favor. The group wants the court to declare the singing of the anti-apartheid song, Kill the Boer, to be declared hate speech. Afriforum says the singing of the song incites violence and promotes farm killings. Mbali Thethani is tracking this story for us. She joins us live now from inside that court. Mbali, that case, the judgment about to be handed down at the top of 10, you've already spoken to at least one of the parties, that's Afriforum. What has the EFF got to say about its chances regarding this matter?
That's right, Koli. Of course, we are just moments away from hearing from Judge Edwin Mulahlei when it comes to that matter involving that song, Kill the Boer. But of course, we know that the EFF did indeed slightly change that song from Kill the Boer to Kiss the Boer. And much earlier on, we did hear from the lobby group saying that they are quite confident about their arguments in this matter. And they are hopeful that this judge will indeed rule in their favor. But let's quickly bring in the EFF spokesperson, Sinao Tambo. Sinao, it is indeed Judgment Day. We will then hear the verdict today. How are you feeling as a party when it comes to this matter?
No, we're extremely confident because we feel that the racist lobby group known as Afriforum has been unable to prove a causal link between the so-called singing of Dubuli Bulu or Kiss the Boer and any farm murders in South Africa. So we're confident that this case will be dismissed with the contempt it deserves. It's baseless, and it's based on an organization that is extremely hypocritical, which on one end calls for the banning of a liberation struggle song which was sung by defiant African people against an apartheid regime, yet they want the apartheid flag to be flown in the skies of South Africa. They want his stem, which was sung when our people were being tortured on flag pasts, to remain in the national anthem. So it's not based on any cause for justice. It's hypocrisy. It's a racist white organization that wants to erase the resistance of our people to the abuse they subjected them to. So we are confident that this Commander-in-Chief and President of the EFF made the case solidly when he spoke on the witness stand. Our legal team has made the case, and there's been no attempt to make a causal link between that song and any farm murder in South Africa. There's crime in South Africa, and white supremacy typically thinks that when there's violence upon white skins, that constitutes a national disaster, and that is not the case.
Do you think when it comes to the technicalities of Kill the Boer, when you and your members sing it, you say Kiss the Boer, that will be at play today?
Look, that's up to the judge to decide, but we do sing Kiss the Boer. And once again, the white supremacist mentality of a hatred of any association with black people at a level of intimacy showed itself. So we don't think that they've proven their case. We don't think it's a strong one at that. They've not been able to illustrate where the EFF sings that version of the song, which is based on the struggle liberation of African people against apartheid. And we're extremely confident.
How important are struggle songs to the EFF?
Extremely important. It's heritage. It reminds us that our people in their state of defiance would sing song. Whether they were happy, whether they were sad, whether they were mourning, whether they were agitating, they would be chanting and singing to gear our people up psychologically to order to resist the system. And what also needs to be recognized by the people of South Africa is that we're being brought to court by an organization that undermines the ability of our people to be rational. That a song or a chant would incite black people to murder because they have no capacity to reason. That our people can't distinguish between a mere song and a chant and a call to murder people. So that is what is at play here. The capacity, the intellectual capacity of our people is being undermined. Their rationality is being questioned. They're being reduced to animals who will charge to murder at the mere singing of a song. So that's what is at play. But we must be able to distinguish that and say to our people, don't be ashamed of the liberation songs of our people. You're not stupid. You're not going to murder people on the basis of a song. And let's protect our heritage and defend it at all costs.
Should it be declared as hate speech? What action or steps will you take as the EFF?
Look, we don't think it should be declared as hate speech, and we'll defend that up until the highest court in the land. Because someone must be able to prove the causal link between the song and any violence inflicted on anyone in society, and that has not been done.
Thank you. Thank you very much. That is indeed Sinawa Tambo, the spokesperson of the EFF, just talking about should this matter be declared as hate speech, that struggle song, Kill the Boer, be declared as hate speech, saying that they will then indeed take this matter to the highest court in the land. Oli?
Mbali, Thethani, thank you very much for that update.